Hi, welcome to Canada Premium English. Today we are going to practice unvoiced versus voiced consonants. Please practice these often and you will become a better speaker of English. Please repeat after me. Do, to. What do you have to do? What do you have to do? Number 2. Pedal, metal. Put the pedal to the metal. Put the pedal to the metal. Number 3. Caught, cod. I caught a cod. I caught a cod. Number 4. Goat, coat. Does your goat wear a coat? Does your goat wear a coat? Number 5. Bigger, nickel. A nickel is bigger than a dime. A nickel is bigger than a dime. Number 6. Pig, pick. You can pick a pig now. You can pick a pig now. Number 7. Stew, zoo. You can eat your stew at the zoo. You can eat your stew at the zoo. Number 8. Races, crazy. I don't like crazy races. I don't like crazy races. Number 9. Face, maze. You must face the maze. You must face the maze. Number 10. Ferry, very. The ferry is very late. The ferry is very late. Number 11. Afraid, avoid. I avoid things I'm afraid of. I avoid things I'm afraid of. Number 12. Off, of. Take your feet off of the table, please. Take your feet off of the table, please. Number 13. Poor, bore. Look at that poor boar. Look at that poor boar. Number 14. Apple, able. Are you able to eat an apple? Are you able to eat an apple? Number 15. Mop, mob. We need to mop up after the mob. We need to mop up after the mob. Number 16. Messenger, measure. The messenger needs to measure the box. The messenger needs to measure the box. Number 17. Push, mirage. I made a push at the mirage. I made a push at the mirage. Number 18. Think, that. I think that rice is better for you. I think that rice is better for you. Number 19. Ethan, either. I don't think Ethan does either. I don't think Ethan does either. Number 20. Tooth, smooth. The tooth came out smoothly. The tooth came out smoothly. Number 21. choke, joke. His joke made me choke. His joke made me choke. Number 22. Nachos, badger. Badgers love nachos. Badgers love nachos. Number 23. Much, ridge. He walks so much on the ridge. He walks so much on the ridge. Number 24. His exit. I think he missed his exit. I think he missed his exit. Number 25. Ahead, tax. You pay the tax ahead of time. You pay the tax ahead of time. Thank you very much for listening and hopefully repeating. Please practice often and you will become a better speaker of English. Thank you. Bye-bye.